Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create checklists in Google Keep in 2026. Checklists are perfect for managing daily tasks, study plans, shopping lists, and work to-do lists. Let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser. To create a checklist, click the New List or Checklist icon. Now enter a title such as Daily Tasks. Below the title, add your checklist items. For example, study for exam, submit assignment, and attend class. As you complete a task, click the checkbox next to it. The completed item will be marked as done and moved to the completed section. You can add more items anytime by clicking Add List Item. You can also drag and rearrange items to keep your checklist organized. After creating the checklist, simply click outside the note. Google Keep automatically saves everything. You can reopen the checklist anytime, edit the items, check off completed tasks, or add new ones. Checklists are very useful for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay organized and track daily progress. That's how to create checklists in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.